Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called mixed feed multiple effect evaporator. So yes, we have discussed in the previous video, we have discussed about the forward feed multiple effect evaporator and then backward feed multiple effect evaporator. So here we are going to discuss about the fixed feed multiple effect evaporator, whereas in the forward feed multiple effect evaporator, so we are supplying both feed and then liquid mixture, that is we can take it as a feed and then steam. The steam is the heating medium for to evaporate the feed that need to be evaporated, and then here the both feed and then steam are supplied in the same side, and then for the backward feed mechanism multiple effect evaporator, the steam and then feed is supplied in the opposite end. So for that case, in the forward feed mechanism, the final output is derived in the other end, whereas in the backward feed multiple effect evaporator, we are getting the desired liquid in the first evaporator where the feed, where the steam is supplied, and then for mixed, see here, yeah. So this is, so the first one A is the called the forward feed multiple effect evaporators. Here the steam and then feed is supplied in the same side in the first container, and then until the once the process is getting over, we are getting the thick liquid, that is the output, our desired output we are getting in the opposite end. And then whereas in the second one, it is backward feed multiple effect evaporator. Here the steam is the heating medium, that is the heating medium is used to evaporate the moisture that is present in the liquid mixture called as a feed. And then here the steam and then feed is supplied in the opposite end, and then with the process the feed is finally shared or feed remaining evaporator one by one, and then finally we are getting the thick liquid in the first container. And then for the third one, here it is the mixed feed multiple effect evaporator, where see here in the diagram, the steam is supplied in the first container, that is you can take this first evaporator. So here we have uh, uh, 1 2 3 4, so 4 container that is we have. It is not restricted to the 4, so you can take 4 5 a number of container, or you can take this evaporator for our for required output. So once if you want to have the huge volume of that feed you want to evaporate, and then in that case we can add a more number of evaporator for the effective process. So for that case we will get the better result when compared to when we have limiting those evaporator with minimum numbers. And then yes, we can yes, once we go for the huge numbers of huge volume of evaporator, then it required to consume more cost, but for that case we will get our desired output. So here the steam is supplied in the first container, and then feed is supplied in the third container. So once the process is getting started, so the feed from the third evaporator container, it is again feed to the fourth container. So where the steam or the vapor, it is from the third evaporator is feed into the fourth evaporator, it is the heating medium for the feed. So once the steam is supplied in the first container, it is getting condensate, and then the vapor evaporated from the vapor extracted from the first evaporator, it is the heating medium for the second evaporator. So the process is very simple. The steam supplied only once, and then the first evaporator, and then it is condensate. So once and then for the vapor evaporated from the first it is the heating medium for the second one, and then it is simultaneously and then goes to the a number of evaporators that is we have. And then finally the feed from the fourth container is again feed to the second, and then where the vapor from this first evaporator, which is the heating medium for the feed supplied to the second evaporator, and then the feed is that is the liquid moisture is getting evaporated, and then this vapor is supplied to the third one, and then feed it is extracted from the second evaporator is again feed into the first evaporator, and then this where in the first evaporator we have steam. That steam is finally used as a heating medium, and then the feed supplied from the second evaporator to the first one, it is getting evaporated, and then once the moisture is completely removed, and then we will get the final our desired output. And then so that is what the mixed feed multiple effect evaporator is working. Thank you.